families, it's Miss Kylie again. I wanted to give you another resource that's coming home today in the students folders. And for our virtual learners, you can do this at home, make it your own, be flexible, and use any paper and supplies you have at home. But we've been working on a lot of skills, so we will be sending home these little journals and booklets that Miss Tiffany and I do with the kids in class. So I wanted to just show you what it is. This first page says, "This is how I write my name." There's a label on each page so it's easy to follow. Many of our students don't know how to write their name, and that's okay. That's what we're going to use this page to help write your name. One of the things we do is we'll write it in a highlighter, and then they trace over it, or a yellow marker, or a bright color that they can trace over. Also, the name writing forms come home and you can practice with that. The next page has a label, circles, and your child can practice writing circles. And then we have not circles, so that way they can compare the characteristics of a circle and not circles. It's pretty self-explanatory, but I just wanted to show you that this is a special book that the kids work on. This one says, "I know the color red," so you can brainstorm things that are red. Take a walk around your house, look outside for things that are red, and then draw them. Students can really practice that fine motor skill by drawing the things that they find that are red. We talk about the number 1, and we connect the word with the numeral, and then practice writing it. Put one sticker or one circle or one object on the page so they know that 1 represents one object. I know the color blue. Same thing with red. Find things that are blue. We practice drawing squares and comparing the characteristics of a square to something that is not a square. Number 2, it takes a little while, same thing. We'll write it in highlighter. They can go over it and practice it. Sometimes it comes backwards. All that is developmentally appropriate and normal. So don't get frustrated, be patient. It takes a lot of practice, a lot of repetition, and a lot of time to learn these skills. I know the color yellow. Here we drew a sun. Practice finding things that are yellow. Triangle. Not a triangle. And then there's a blank page. This would be a great place to practice drawing anything, your name, a person. Just let them scribble, scrabble, all that. We call it fine motor, but that's the development of their wrist muscles and their finger muscles to hold a pencil. A lot of kids are still doing a fist grip, so we want to have them practice using a finger grip. But these little journals are not trash. Please don't throw them away. We spent a lot of time to get them, to have the labels, and to work through them with the kids at school. So they're very proud to show this to you. So everything you do at home helps reinforce the skills we're learning. It makes school important to your students and your family, and they can keep this in their library, in their bedroom or your home, and go back and revisit it and reread it. Maybe it could be their favorite book. For the virtual learners, if you don't have a special book, that's okay. Take some pages, fold them in half, make your own book. Just be flexible. It doesn't require you to go buy anything or make anything special. It's just practicing and practicing and practicing those skills at home so our kids can be successful at school. Thank you. See you next time.